Today's video, I'm going to be doing some boho themed planters, and I mean, they're a trash to treasure, really. I'm going to use a little cereal container from the baby cereal, coffee container. This one had some nuts from the Girl Scouts in it. So I'm going to take these items and turn them into planters with a boho theme for today's video. So it's going to be hopefully real simple. These two, I'm going to do basically the same thing, except since this one's bigger, I'm going to change it up a little bit. I'm going to use some mop yarn here and wrap around the two of these. I'm not going to paint, well, I guess I can take this label off, huh? So I'm going to take this label off right now. Right here. Ooh, how about that? Okay, so I will glue down around the entire thing. I will go from top to bottom with the yarn on both of these. Now for this, so I'll just set that over there. Now we'll work on these. First, I'm going to start with this, and I will hot glue with my Ryobi X Shore Bonder glue gun and Shore Bonder glue sticks, and I will glue a bunch of these around here. And can I peel this off? I don't know. Maybe I can peel this. If I can peel it, I'll peel it. If not, I'll just glue them down. What I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of determine where I want my back to be. It doesn't really matter, but I will glue this down, right? Actually, I should do it like that. And I will meet it here. I'm lucky to lay this stuff like frays apart so I can like glue it and start another, you know, go down underneath so it's not all wonky. You know how it goes. Try and make it look a little more seamless than it usually does. And, you know, here's me realizing that that blue is going to be a problem, but what are you going to do? So that's what I'm going to do. And once I get like this one done here, glued, and I come to the next part, or I come to the end, then I will trim it to meet up nicely and then keep going around and around and around. So it looks like one long piece is there. Hopefully that's the goal anyway. And also hopefully none of that blue shows through. So today, this video is part of a close collaboration. I asked some of my pals to join me in doing some boho themed stuff, and I've got Sarah and Michelle and Zaina and Lisa and Evie and Sun with me today. Thank you guys for coming along and playing with me in my little boho playground. And there's also a gift away of an Amazon gift card. All you have to do is comment on everybody's videos. No secret words, just make sure you leave a comment. And I will use a random picker on the 31st to choose the winner. I will have everybody linked down in my description box along with the link to the playlist. Go make sure you check everything out. Yeah, so let's get back into this. And these are done. That's what they look like. I think they turned out pretty good. But I want to add a little something more to this one. Something a little different. So I'm going to take some drywall mud, joint compound, and I'm going to like just layer over top some of this, about halfway up. So, got some gloves on, and I'm just going to, some of this is a little dried out. On the bottom, just add a little extra texture. With boho, there's really a lot of play on textures and elements, and I think having the a soft fiber here of the yarn with the hard part of the compound is really interesting mixture. Alright, here's what we got. There's that one. And this, which isn't quite dry yet, but I think it looks pretty cool, just like that. And I'm not going to paint it or anything. I think I'm just going to leave this as it is. And then I can just pop some plants in. Now, I've thought about maybe I should go ahead and cover these rings. I don't know. I'm thinking once the plants go in, you're really not going to see them anyway, and I'd rather not like cut them out and, you know, slice myself on anything. So I think I'll just leave them. We'll see how it looks after I put some plants in. For a very quick and easy DIY, taking a, just a little tin, just putting some, just some yarn on it, and it turns it into a super cute little planter. I really like how that one looks, and this one, the duality of the textures, it really just brings that boho feel in to the space, adding the greenery, bringing the the outside indoors. I love this one. It's probably one of my favorite boho pieces of this year so far. I just really like it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Don't forget to check out the playlist and all of my pals who joined me for this special one. And yeah, spread that YouTube goodness. Like, comment, and subscribe on everyone's channels. And while you're at it, would you go ahead and hit the subscribe button right up there for me too, please? Don't forget to ring the notification bell to know when I upload. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great weekend. Take care, y'all. Bye.